Welcome to Tech Solutions. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the installation of Python 3.13, the latest and most stable version of Python at the time of creating this video, on Windows 11. Python is a versatile and beginner-friendly programming language used in various fields, including web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and automation. Whether you're an experienced developer or just starting your programming journey, Python is an essential tool that can significantly enhance your productivity. To begin, open your internet browser. You can use Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or any browser you prefer. Navigate to the official Python website, python.org. This website is the primary source for all Python releases, resources, and documentation. On the homepage, go to the Download section, where you'll find the latest version of Python available for your operating system. Locate Python 3.13 for Windows and click the download link. If you have a slow internet connection, you can use a download accelerator to speed up the process. Once the download is complete, run the Python installer. This is the installer for the 64-bit version of Python 3.13 for Windows 11. During the installation, ensure you check two important options. The first is Install for all users, which requires administrator privileges and allows Python to be accessible system-wide. The second is Add Python to Path, which simplifies running Python commands from the terminal or PowerShell without needing to specify the Python installation directory. Click the Install Now button to begin the installation process. The installer will copy all necessary files and set up Python on your computer. This may take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, you will see the message, Setup Successful, on your screen. Before closing the installer, ensure you click the Disable Path Length Limit option. This step removes the Windows path length limitation, enabling Python applications to function without issues when working with long file paths. Finally, close the installer and open the command prompt or PowerShell. Type Python to confirm that Python is installed correctly and ready to use. That's it! You've successfully installed Python 3.13 on your Windows 11 system. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Solutions for more helpful content.